This is a project on calculating estimation to completion. The purpose of this project is to calculate a series of values that can be used to identify actual project lengths and costs and help managers adjust their expectations accordingly at the beginning stages of a project. Earned value, schedule performance index, cost performance index, estimated time to complete, and cost at completion are all values that will be calculated in the following slides with the said calculations as shown here. From the given data, we are only given data for weeks 1 and 2, and the current project is scheduled to be computed in 10 weeks at a total of $100,000. Although taking note of the planned value and the actual cost, we can easily identify the actual amount of this project will be more expensive than the planned value. Therefore, we must use the previous set calculations to project out and retrieve additional information to understand whether this difference is true. In this slide, we have calculated the earned value, cost variance, schedule variance, schedule performance index, and the cost performance index as seen here. Beginning with the earned value for week 1, we took the planned value of $7,000 and multiplied it by 50% and got $3,500. For cost variance of week 1, we took earned value, which is $3,500, and subtracted it from the actual cost of $8,000, getting a total of negative $4,500. For scheduled variance of week 1, we took earned value, $3,500, and minused planned value of $7,000 and got negative $3,500. For scheduled performance index, we took earned value divided by planned value, which is $3,500 divided by 7,000, which equals 2.5. And finally, for cost performance index, we took earned value divided by the actual cost, which is $3,500 divided by 8,000, equaling 0.44. For weeks 2 along with weeks 3 to 9, we repeated the process as explained for week 1. After all calculations have been made, here we find that the project will run over by $43,210 and will run over the projected time as exhibited in week 13. Clarifying the data further, by calculating the estimated time of completion, we have arrived at 13.33 days, or in other words, 13 days and about a half a day or so. Highlighting the planned, actual, and earned values, a line graph illustrates the previous graph and reveals that the project will cost more and take longer to complete than originally anticipated. Overall, calculating estimation to completion ahead of time is useful in identifying the real length and cost of a project at hand. Respectively, this method can be used to monitor schedule variances, and managers can therefore reallocate funds and personnel as needed.